Stuffed cucumbers. A main dish from Saint Vincent and the Grenadines. Serves 4. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. Wash cucumber. Cut ends off and scoop out all the seeds. Step 2. To use the first filling, mix ham, egg, onion, pepper, and mayonnaise. Blend well. Stuff cucumber. Wrap and chill. To serve, slice and garnish. Step 3. To use the second filling, mash cream cheese, add grated cheddar and continue mixing. Add onion and white pepper and mix well. Stuff cucumber. Wrap and chill. To serve, country slice reports, and garnish. Culture, countries, travel.